welcome you all once again to the 2023 Unity Jam put on by Norton Healthcare.
This is a big event for Norton Healthcare, but more importantly, it's a big event for our community.
We are here to have fun, get backpacks, do healthy screenings, and talk to a couple of other folks here. With that being said, I think it's time for us to go find that beam.
This is one of the best days of the year. This is when we come out, we connect with the community.
It's a way that we can continue to demonstrate our commitment to making certain that healthcare and the access to that healthcare is provided on a level playing field throughout our community.